फ्रेंड्स 4 4 1 2 3
आप कौन से ऐसे बताएं?
ब्लू हाउस ओके विल यू वाइप ऑफ प्लीज स्कोर्स मेट देना है ओनली स्कोर्स अच्छा 1 2 3 4 हाँ नहीं वैसा मत करो आप लोग ऑटो में कोने पे चले ऑटो ऑटो इधर ऑटो कोई स्कोर एक चल सामने कोई स्कोर हमारा ऐसा होगा मेरा बैग मालूम है क्या उसमें रख के आ गया बैग में now listen the instruction you have 3 rounds okay round number 1 round number 2 round number 3 in first round we will ask you 6 question to each group okay 6 question for blue house 6 question for green house 6 question for red house and 6 question for yellow house okay done this is the first round is it clear now scorer will be there and they will see your performance according to that you will get the marks this will be the first round in second round
Second one is passing.
second one passing second one is passing if blue house is failed to give the answer the same question will pass to next house green red and yellow okay done so in that we will ask 3 question only 3 question मौलाना आसिफ मौलाना क्वेश्चन 3 सेकेंड राउंड में 3 ही पूछना है ना ओनली 3 क्वेश्चंस ओके
हाउस में लाइन में बैठो दरमियान में
and the last round will be very crucial okay in that you will get the whistle okay where is your last round you can use the whistle buzzer round this is called buzzer round okay in that I will ask total 5 questions only those who will blow the whistle they will get the chance to give the answer done 6 question first round 6 question for each team 6 question okay इसको 5 अगर कर देते हैं तो उसमें बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन खत्म ही हो जा रहे है ना 5 question instead of 6 5 question done first round 5 5 5 5 if you fail to give the answer number will reduce done second round pass in that I will ask only 1 2 3 4 5 questions done still any confusion clear मैं क्लियर नहीं हूँ
फर्स्ट राउंड के क्वेश्चंस आपको कंपलसरी है हर एक को जवाब देना ही देना सेकंड वन इज पासिंग
अब इनको 1 to 300 तक है ना
अब इनको 1 to 120 सॉरी
100
1 to 120
20 तक है
और इनको जो क्वेश्चन किए हुए हैं वो 81 से 95 कर चुके हैं। उसको छोड़कर उनको अवॉइड कर सकते हैं
कर
और अगर
सकते हैं।
ज़्यादा टाइप हो रहा तो वो उसमें से भी ले सकते हैं पूरा।
इसमें खाली मुझे वो लाइन का वो कर दो,
क्या वैसे?
जो पूछ लिए वाले वो टिक कर दो। 80 से चलिए रेडी। नाउ ब्लू हाउस रेडी फॉर द क्वेश्चन। फर्स्ट से पूछ सकते हैं ना,
फर्स्ट से पूछेंगे कि खाली जो रेड की ना अपनी,
हाँ।
उसको जस्ट अवॉइड
अवॉइड।
और एक बात, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स, जब भी कोई बच्चा करेक्ट आंसर देगा तो आप लोग क्या बोलोगे? आवाज बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है, थोड़ा लाउडली बहुत हो गया। एक
अच्छे से।
मर्तबा आहिस्ता आवाज में, हर मर्तबा जब कोई करेक्ट आंसर देगा तो आप कहोगे सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। बोलो एक साथ।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now I am going to start the round. The question for blue house. What is the name of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's father?
The father's name of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Abdullah.
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Second question. His grandson's name. What is the name of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's grandson?
Hazrat Abu As and grandson. एक मिनट. Hazrat Abu As, Hazrat.
ये कंपल्सरी राउंड है बस। कंपल्सरी राउंड है, हो गया।
Incorrect. Question number 3. Question number 3. To which tribe does the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam belong?
Croatia।
वो होटल है।
कोई बोला?
डोंट टेल। हाँ,
इधर से कोई आवाज नहीं अगर किसी ने इधर से आवाज निकाला, जिस हाउस का रहेगा उस हाउस को माइनस मार्क्स मिलेंगे, याद रखो।
यस,
हाँ, और अगर आप लोग आवाज नहीं करेंगे तो वो
absolutely correct. माशाल्लाह, everyone say Quraysh. Question number 4. To which family does the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam belong?
Banu Hashim.
What do you think? Is it correct?
इनके हाउस से आगे से
चलिए, absolutely correct. माशाल्लाह.
सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। से सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम।
How old was the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when his mother died?
6-year-old.
Yes, absolutely correct. MashaAllah. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. 6 question done. Okay. Question for the greenhouse. Huh? No. You can take time. Okay, 6 हो. 5 marks. 5. One more I need to. नहीं, 5 ही पूछना है. 5 questions. 5 we are asking 5 questions. Okay. Question for greenhouse. not showing, huh? Where is the grave of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam grandson? Where is the grave of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam grandson?
ग्रैंडफादर है सर
ग्रैंडफादर, हाँ. नाम, ये आंसर क्या है? अच्छा, चलिए. नाउ चेंजिंग, आई एम चेंजिंग द क्वेश्चन. वेयर इज द ग्रेव ऑफ प्रॉफिट सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ग्रैंडफादर हजरत अब्दुल मुतलिब?
In Makkah.
माशाअल्लाह, सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम.
आप लोग नहीं पढ़ रहे हाँ
After the death of his, means sallallahu alaihi wasallam grandfather, who raised him?
His uncle Abu Talib.
करेक्ट आंसर माशाल्लाह
Two questions done, huh? What is the name of the woman who nursed our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam beside the mother of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
हज़रत हलीमा सादिया।
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When did the first incident of क्या है? शक्ल खद्र, शक्ल सद्र occur?
When Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 4 years old at the house of Hazrat Halima Sadia.
माशाअल्लाह, सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम.
रिसाइट दरूद शरीफ
सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Last question. How many uncles do the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has?
9 or 11.
माशाअल्लाह, सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम. Five question done. Okay. Next, 5 question for Red House. When was the first visit of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Syria?
When he was 12 years old.
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. With whom was the first journey of Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Syria?
His uncle Abu Talib.
Who was the first wife of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
हज़रत खदीजा रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हा।
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Correct.
बहुत टफ जा रहा है हाँ सब जवाब दे रहे हैं
At the time of marriage, Hazrat Khatija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha was how many years older than the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Listen,
15 years older.
Where is the grave of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's father?
In Medina.
What do you think? Right? Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Right. 5 question done.
Where is the grave of Prophet's
Father in Medina. Last First round, last group. Yellow house.
Yellow house, be ready for
How old was the Prophet? Hello.
चालू है
क्या हो गया? ये बंद हो गया. Charging. Charge. इधर लेना. चेक के साथ लेना.
ये आएगा आपका ये बात हाँ पीछे देखो चेक पीछे बैठे यहाँ पीछे अच्छा जब आप पीछे
Yellow house. Question number 1. How many paternal uncles do the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has? Aunts, right. Aunts.
6 aunts, 6 paternal aunts,
MashaAllah. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. By what title did the Arabs call him before prophethood?
Sadiq and Amin.
Absolutely correct. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Okay. When was the first visit of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to Syria? Is it art? Huh? Chalo, I will skip this question. Who was the first? What is the greatest miracle of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Quran Sharif.
MashaAllah. In which part of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam body was the seal of prophethood?
Between the two shoulders.
MashaAllah. Last question. Okay. What are the names of the daughters of the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam?
Hazrat Kulsum, Hazrat Aisha, Hazrat Fatima,
आराम से
Hazrat Fatima.
Wrong answer.
अगर डबल नहीं कराने का है ना तो रॉन्ग जल्दी दे दो
चलिए डन. मार्क्स लेंगे सर. सलाम इस मार्क्स लेके लिख दो ना. मार्क्स इनसे मार्क्स ले लो. चलिए रेडी फॉर द सेकेंड राउंड. But before go to second round, I ask 2 questions, 1 to girls from audience, 1 girls for 1 boys. Okay? I will ask the question to Danish. लिए ना नहीं लिए अभी यस यस Danish, come here. In the Holy Quran, which night has been called the most virtuous of all the nights? Don't tell, don't tell. Come here, come here. Grade 4th, anyone? Listen the question again. In the Holy Quran, which night has been called the most virtuous of all the nights? Safiullah, come here.
Laylatul Qadr.
Laylatul Qadr. Sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Girls, question for girls. Which surah is named after a battle? Which surah is named after a battle? जनरल है क्या है
बदर बदर है इसका नेम हाँ बदर बदर सूरा नहीं है कहाँ है विच सूरा हैज द नेम ऑफ प्रॉफिट नेम एज वन लेटर
हाँ चलिए राउंड टू राउंड टू रेडी फॉर द राउंड टू
कौन सा राउंड है पता है ना पासिंग राउंड रेडी हो जाओ
I will ask only 5 questions. Okay? I will ask only 5 questions. If you fail, same question will pass to next team. Okay? इनकी लिमिट कितनी है लास्ट क्या बोले सर लिमिट
1 to 20 पूरा
1 to 20
हाँ 120
20 तक हाँ इसके अंदर
लास्ट तो रिवर्स शॉट ये एकदम अपर है ना इनको पूरे 120 तक
चलिए ready? How many times has the word Quran been repeated in the Holy Quran? Stand and tell the answer. I am unable to reach you. $120 times. 120 के अंदर है. 120 तक है ना 120 तक है ना आउट ऑफ 120 120 पे है 120 पे है हाँ तो इट इज 120th क्वेश्चन मौलाना आसिफ मौलाना ये 120 नहीं है
ये है ना
नहीं है
नहीं है 120 क्वेश्चन
Boys, maintain the discipline. Last line.
सीरत के जो क्वेश्चंस है ना
हाँ
100 ये कंप्लीट है ये कितने हो गए ये हो गए 91 और ये यहाँ पर हो गया आपका 11 और ये यहाँ से कंटिन्यू लेना है ये यहाँ से इसको सीक्वेंस इसके 21
चलिए रेडी, बच गए. Who is the creator? Who is the creator and master of this world and entire universe? MashaAllah. Second question to you. How old was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when his mother died? रहने दो ना. हाँ. के बाद ओके. करेक्ट. माशाल्लाह. माशाल्लाह, करेक्ट आंसर. In which month? Question for you. Okay, Red House. In which month did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam die?
Rabiul Awwal.
माशाल्लाह. Next question. What is the name of your religion? Islam. माशाल्लाह, राइट है. ये है क्या इसमें? ये वाले है क्या?
वो 20 तक, वो सेकंड वन जो था ना 20 तक तीसरे उसके बाद
2 question remain. चलिए. ओके, चलिए सेकेंड राउंड टाई कर देंगे. सेकेंड राउंड टाई हो गया. हाँ हाँ, थर्ड राउंड वी विल स्टार्ट. थर्ड राउंड बजर राउंड.
टाई होगा तो कैसे करेंगे? मार्क्स कैसे
हाँ, उसमें डाल देंगे, उतने दे देंगे. चलिए बॉयज, मेंटेन डिसिप्लिन. सर, सेकेंड राउंड इज ओवर. टाई. मार्क्स. नाउ दिस इज द थर्ड राउंड, बजर. ओके, I will wish. Blow. इसका एक असेंबली का है ना.
सर क्वेश्चन थोड़े हार्ड पूछो. क्वेश्चन का फॉर्मेट बना के नहीं लाने वाला है ना. क्वेश्चन पेपर अगर बना के लेके आते तो इतना टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होता था. फर्स्ट राउंड में ये क्वेश्चन, सेकंड राउंड में ये क्वेश्चन, थर्ड राउंड में ये क्वेश्चन, इतना ही है. बहुत टाइम वेस्ट जा रहा है. और ये लास्ट के जो क्वेश्चन हुए ना सेकंड राउंड में पूरे ईजी थे सर. थोड़ा हार्ड पूछो तो बच्चों में ज़रा टफ है. बहुत ईजी मत पूछो. मैंने तो करा, आज टिक करी थी सर कि ये क्वेश्चन आप नेक्स्ट टाइम में नहीं पूछेंगे आप।
रेडी? हाँ हाँ यस।
थर्ड राउंड में कितने क्वेश्चंस होने वाले हैं?
थर्ड राउंड में हमको लेंगे टोटल 5 क्वेश्चन, 5 क्वेश्चन. Now listen. In the third round is going to start. In that I am going to ask 5 questions. Okay? And what you have to do, you have to whistle, but as well as you have to raise your right hand. And as soon as my question is finished, then you have to give the answer or whistle, blow the whistle. Done? Both at a time. Ready? And keep your whistle here. मुंह में रेडी रखो. सबकी एक साथ बजेंगी ना? हाँ. Keep down side. Left hand. Use your left hand. हाँ. नीचे रखो. नीचे रेडी रखो. Whistle should be on table. Okay? Now sir, ऑब्जर्व करना है कि कौन बजा रहा है पहले. इमरान सर, मुनव्वर कौन पहले सीटी बजा रहा है वो देखना है. बजर राउंड, अंडरस्टैंड. This will be the thrill. This will be interesting. Okay? Now they will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people are observing you. Who is going to whistle and who is going to raise the hand? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold your nerves. First question. What was the age of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when he got married at Hazrat Khadija radhiyallahu ta'ala anha? This one.
25 years.
Absolutely correct. MashaAllah. Ready for the second question. You have only 5 questions. हाथ में नहीं रखो. हाथ में रखो बट मुंह में नहीं. You can hold but you cannot keep in the mouth. Is it clear? सर, इनके अगर मुंह में रेडी रही विसल तो आंसर रिजेक्ट कर देना. इनका टेबल पे रहेगा, हाथ में रहेंगी. शुड बी ऑन टेबल. डन? क्लियर? चलिए नेक्स्ट, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी. हाउ मेनी रकात आर ऑब्लिगेटरी इन मगरिब?
3
रकात. Absolutely right. This is also very easy question. Hold your nerves. नहीं पास का नहीं. सिटी बजाने नहीं आ रही तो किसी और को दे दो. तौसी you can take charge. Ready? This is also very easy question. 1, 2, 3. Ready? नहीं, इनको कुछ करने दो. सब खाली इनको जो सिटी जिसके पास है उनको, बाकी सब रिलैक्स बैठो. आंसर बाद में तुम यू कैन गिव एनीवन. डन? हाँ वो इसीलिए दोनों हाथ ऐसे रखो, ऐसे. जिसके पास those who are having whistle, hand down. 1, 2, 3. whistle जिसके पास है वो इम्पोर्टेंट पर्सन है फिलहाल. ओके सर, थोड़ी भी मिस्टेक दिखी इनकी, 2 हाथ अगर उठे हुए लगे तो उनका अपने आंसर नहीं पूछना है. 1, 2, 3. क्वेश्चन. On how many plates does Islam rest? Wait. Shabana miss. Okay, listen. Don't shout. I am going to cancel this question. At a time both ask, that's why I am going to cancel. चलिए वेट रियाज सर ये हाउस वाइज है आप लोग बैठे हुए कौन सा हाउस है ये फर्स्ट ब्लू दिस वन इज ग्रीन एंड दिस वन इज येलो हाउस इन पे नजर आएगा यू हैव अथॉरिटी टू कट 10 मार्क्स ऑडियंस विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल ऑफ दिस मैच डन यू हैव अथॉरिटी टू कट 10 मार्क्स पहला जो है तो ब्लू क्या है सेकेंड वन इज ग्रीन रेड एंड येलो डन चलिए यू बोथ whistle at a time so I am going to ask question for both okay now you if you will whistle अब आप लोग को नहीं बजाना है दोनों डन आप दोनों में से अभी ये क्वेश्चन के लिए जो बजाएंगा वही आंसर देगा उसको डन सर प्रशांत सर रेडी फॉर क्वेश्चन रेडी on the day of judgment what is the first thing for which we will held on account
नमाज
wait हाँ ठीक है चलो one more question I am going
रीज़न बताओ क्यों कैंसिल कर रहे रीज़न बताओ
now listen before I finish my question he whistled that's why this question is also cancelled next time same will happen so you will not get the marks done and automatically marks go to that team done is this clear chaliye question is how many obligatory rakats are there in the total in these 5 obligatory prayers
17
mashallah ready for the question 3 everyone you all okay ready सामने ऐसे अरे लगाओ हेलो दम से बेटा चलिए रेडी दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी this question you can hold the whistle but should be on table okay and you must raise your right hand whistle by left hand done 1 2 3 question is very easy ready for the answer where is prophet muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam buried
Medina at Hazrat Aisha's house.
audience will not tell wait फिर दोनों किसको चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन माशाल्लाह दिस इज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट ओके खाला बॉयज अब्दुल रहमान, आपकी वजह से आपकी टीम हार जाएंगे बेटा, बाद में आपका नाम डिक्लेयर हो जाएगा, पीछे से ऑब्जर्वेशन हो रहा है, यू विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. दिस क्वेश्चन इज कैंसल्ड. ओके, रेडी?
सस्पेंस.
मौलाना क्या वर्ड है? क्या है? चलिए, वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन अगेन. ओके, वन टू थ्री, रेडी? ये राउंड टफ हो रहा है, ठीक है, और अगर कोई तुम्हारी टीम आ रही तो यू विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. सर, या सर, यू हैव अथॉरिटी. हाँ, वो लाइन के हिसाब से देखो, बच्चे का नाम लिख लो, इसकी वजह से हारे बोलो. Who was Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? ओके,
अभी ऐसा अगर किसी ने किया ना, पहले वेचन के जाए तो उनको निगेटिव मान देंगे.
उनका बार बार
now one minute, listen. I already instructed, if you whistle before the question finish, you will be out. Done? This condition is applied on you. Get out. Done? Finish? 3. This same question for you, 3 only. Next question. Question is very easy. Ready for the answer. You 3. Which hand should we use for eating? Right hand. Absolutely right. MashaAllah. 3 questions done, sir. 3. 2 remains. आप बोल सकते, गड़बड़ मत करो. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready for question. Listen first carefully. On which day of the week did Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam arrange fasting? Okay. Wait. They blew the whistle at a time. Which one? Again. Question next question. Ready? All, everyone. Ready? Huh? All teams, huh? Ready for question. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to perform a special prayer in addition to the 5 obligatory prayers. बिफोर पहले कौन बजाए? पहले कौन बजाए? तीनों बजाए. हाँ पहले तुम बजाए ना. ओके. ऑल ब्लो. जीरो मार्क दे दो. ये राउंड के पूरे 0 मार्क. लास्ट क्वेश्चन 5 नंबर, ये सबको 0 दे दो. सबने बजाए, सबका चलेगा चांस. लास्ट राउंड, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, सबने ही बजाया एक साथ. डन. This is also very easy question. Ready? Don't blow. If you blow before the question, you will be responsible. And audience, you will not tell anything. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons are observing here. Done? Keep quiet. Is it clear? Ready for the question? Listen it. Who became the Khalifa of Muslim after the death of Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? हाँ 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 कौन बोल रहे? बोल रहे कौन?
MashaAllah, you all are doing well. We are going to stop it right now. We'll discontinue this and we'll continue tomorrow morning. This round, the last round. And tomorrow, only the last round, buzzer round, will be conducted. Please keep quiet. Be comfortable. Okay? And the house mentors will decide any one participant for this buzzer round tomorrow. It will be conducted only for 10 minutes.
One person from one house.
One student will represent one house. The house mentors will give the name. Right? And that round, inshallah, you will take in a very clear-cut Urdu. Give it to that last round, and he will be observer. He will be observer. He will be observer, and she will be observer. It will be only for 10 minutes. We'll come back tomorrow morning here, and we'll close it. Even I will not be there. Okay? Because in this hodgepodge, it cannot be. You are participants. You cannot object. You participants are objecting on sir's decision, which is not allowed. When he says yes, one, okay, it's justified. Insaf. That is reflecting, not happening. They are not listening to you. He's already getting up. He's getting up all the time. Whistles are in the mouth. This is not the way. This is competition. Any one will win. You all cannot win. Right? So be sure that this hyperactiveness should not be there. Okay? So we are taking a break till tomorrow morning. Your house mentor will select one. Anyone. That can be a boy or girl from each. And they have to abide. They will not question, sir. They shouldn't question. Right? When you say yes, finished. Okay? Was it clear to all? So your mentor will fix one tomorrow and it will be given. We are not going to change the arrangement. It will be only for 10 minutes. Only 3 questions. or we can have 5 questions. Only 5 questions. And the repeated things, what is happening? Okay, this is not there, this is there, this was there. Whatever question it is, whether it is asked early or not, done. Whether it is there or not, right? Oh, 120 में ये नहीं है. What does it mean? So such things we'll avoid, and we'll repeat this. Only the last round. Till this round, I think green and red, there is a tie for first position, and blue and yellow are second position. Okay, there is a tie. So only the winner is only 5 questions away. The winner house is only 5 questions away from the win. Provided you people behave as gentleman or gentle girl. Your objections, the way you are objecting, no. You are representing everyone. You cannot object. Right? So to avoid this objection and all, I have taken the decision to stop this right now. And if it goes well, then we'll take it tomorrow. Otherwise, we'll declare this as a tie. Nobody will get the winner trophy then. Now you decide, what do you want? I can decide this in the senior section, there is complete tie. And no winner. But there is a competition rule, there should be at least winner. Okay? So have you all prepared for this? Okay? And whoever comes on the stage tomorrow for this should be well prepared. That can be any question. From question number 1 to question number 120. And for sure, you are not going to ask question number 1, 2, 3, 5. Right? First 10 questions you are not going to ask. First 20 also you will not ask. Very tough questions. Only 5 questions. Very tough. Or you can do one more thing tomorrow morning. Let them sit. All 4. Remove 3. You take that decision. And let one sit here. That jurisdiction is yours. Right? But you need to be well behaved. This is not the only and the last competition what we are observing in the school. There are many. Maybe you will not win today. But there should be the sportsmanship. This aggression is not there or shouldn't be there. That aggression, particularly what I have seen aggression with you and you. Right? Control yourself. Control, control, control. Okay? You need to have patience. Patience means and sabr karne wala is sabir. Okay? Don't make me sabarless. ठीक है ना? So please hold yourself till tomorrow morning. Yes? Hold yourself till tomorrow morning. Inshallah we'll have a round, final round. Prepare yourself. And don't ask your mentors, yeah, I want to. No. Let them decide. Okay? With all permission? Thank you so much.
ये जो राउंड हुआ है हमारा, अब तक के सुबह से जितने राउंड हुए थे बहुत अच्छे चले, लेकिन जस्ट आपके बिहेवियर की वजह से और आपके इस अंदाज की वजह से सर को ये डिसीज़न लेना पड़ा। थोड़ा सा आप अपने आप में डिसिप्लिन लाएंगे इंशाअल्लाह। और सर का जो फ़ैसला है, आप यकीन माने ये फ़ैसला भी बहुत अच्छा है। जिस अंदाज से आप लोग एग्रेसिव हो रहे थे, जिस अंदाज से आप लोग जो है इसको खेल रहे थे, ये वो आम कंपटीशन नहीं है। आपको समझना चाहिए कि इसकी निस्बत किसके साथ है? अल्लाह के रसूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के साथ है। तो कितना अदब का मकाम था ये, और आपने इज़हार किया उस अदब के मकाम का। एहसास ही नहीं। आपको इतना समझना चाहिए कि करेक्ट आंसर पर माशाअल्लाह के बजाय सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम कहा जा रहा है। आपको हर वक्त ये एहसास दिलाने की कोशिश की जा रही है कि इसकी निस्बत अल्लाह के रसूल के साथ, मगर वो है ही नहीं। उसको आपने जस्ट एक गेम की तरह लीजिए, ऐसे नहीं है। आप समझो हमारा इंटेंशन क्या है, इससे ये लेने के लिए मकसद क्या है। बहरहाल बेस्ट ऑफ लक, कल प्रिपेयर होकर आइए। आपके मेंटर्स आप में से किसी को चूज़ करेंगे और उनके अंदर इंशाअल्लाह ये कंपटीशन फिर से होगा। हम दुआ करते हैं अल्लाह ताला सभी को कामयाब करें। देखते हैं विनर कौन होगा।
As you all know that sir just suggested that we will conduct this session tomorrow. I humbly request Sabir sir kindly allow to take today and finalize. And just Maulana said that this is very virtuous program, but totally your behavior is out of context. So I hope you all support. You will sit silent, and even participant will behave nice. If you are sure, then I request Sabir sir to finish this today. Is it? Yeah. What do you think? Today or tomorrow? Raise your hand. Today. Right now. Can you request sir? Now listen everyone. Can you, is it, now listen. What is sir saying to you? Listen.
Very calm, quiet. They will not talk anything. They will also behave. There should be some decorum of the program.
Done? Are you ready for this? Okay. Say. So I am going to ask question, last question. Okay? Hold your nerve. Participants, now you just assure the sir you will not make a chaos, noise. Okay? Kindly maintain. Everyone, boys, audience especially. Stop, girls. No murmur sound. Ready? Chalo, I am sitting.
Your eyes are sufficient. Enough. Can they select from themselves who will answer? From blue house, who will answer? Green house.
Who will answer?
Other than that child will not answer.
Yes. You select one. Who will answer? Okay? In your team, you select one.
We can discuss and then one answer. The one who is answering, they should come together. Like, sit on the corner. It will be able to easier for us to judge.
So let them come in front of the table.
And now one more thing. Must remember after win or loss. Okay? You will not shout. Right, Maulana? Done? You must all say Jazakallah or recite once a Durood Sharif.
What she is suggesting, Those who are representative of respective house, they will come in
Come front.
Chairwoman should sit.
Come front.
Take your chair and come.
One. Send someone.
Who is going to represent?
Who is going to represent your team? Send front. चलिए ready?
One more thing we can do. The one who gives 2 questions correct will be winner. Best of 3.
मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर, लास्ट के 4-5 क्वेश्चन हैं प्लीज आप
उसका नहीं करना है।
सर
अपन क्या करेंगे, बेस्ट ऑफ 3 करेंगे। 3 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे, जिसने 2 के सही जवाब दिए वो हाउस विनर रहेगा। बेस्ट ऑफ 5 भी कर सकते हैं।
अनाउंस कर नाउ लिसन लिसन एवरीवन
Okay. See, rest please quiet. Everybody will be quiet. You are not going to talk anything. Move this side. You go that side. Go. Move. Go to your house. Go to your house. Move. Go to the board. See. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sir will ask 5 questions. Sir will ask you 5 questions. The house who will give 3 correct answers. The house who will give 3 correct answer will be winner. Right? Not 1 question, 2 question. 3 correct, you are the winner. Wrong to wrong. This is best of 5 round. Out of that 3, sir, best of 5. Out of that 3 should be correct. देखेंगे ना अपन उसको। वो टाई ब्रेकर that is, but first condition is best of 3. Best of 5 out of that 3. All, everything. There is no limit. There was a simple question like कौन से हाथ से खाना खाना चाहिए? Can this be a question for you? Sir, 5 questions. Even keep 1 question ready for tiebreaker also. Right? अच्छा है. Shabana, you are there. You will be the winner, inshallah, whatever house it is. Irrespective of house. 1 question for Shanif. 1 question for Shanif. Come here. Shanif, come here. Have we read all 1 to 20? 1 to 120? 1 to 20? 1 to 10? How many questions you know? No? Question number 1. What was the question? What was the first question? Shahid? Ready? Then don't talk. Go and sit there. Hey. Here. Maz, keep it. Ready? Anybody not come? Oh, come. Starting in Nath. Decide.
लहू में तर नबी का जिस में अतहर याद आता है, लहू में तर नबी का जिस में अतहर याद आता है, तड़प जाता हूँ जब ताइफ का मंजर याद आता है.
What is Taif? 1, 2 only. Only 2. What is Taif? Not this side, this side. Taif. Both of you come. Umar, you also come. Come. Please tell what is Taif. Come here.
Taif is a village in which Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam came to tell the people about Islam, but they throw stones at the Prophet and run and tell the Prophet there is no God.
Okay. What do you have? Anything extra than this?
Taif is a village near Makkah, and Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam went there for sharing knowledge about Islam, but they denied and they throw stones on him.
Okay. Do you know anything more?
Taif is a village near Makkah. It's in Saudi Arabia, and our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam went there and informed the people that they live there that about Islam. So they denied and they throw stones on him.
What happened then after throwing the stone?
He gone and built a masjid by his hands, a small masjid.
At that spot.
Yes.
What has happened?
Hazrat Zaid Raziallahu Ta'ala Anhu had saved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam when the stones were thrown by the kids. Hazrat Zaid came in front of the Prophet and saved the Prophet from hitting the stone.
Anything more? Anybody knows? बोल दिया आपने स्टोन बोला होना ना तुमको पता लगा हाँ एनीथिंग एल्स अदर देन मुनीब हाँ there was an incident there हाँ
Hazrat Jibreel alayhi salam came and said that village was between two mountains, two hills. He said that if you order me, I will combine that so that village will be destructed. Then Aap sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that no, they are not accepting Islam, but someone can come from their generation who will accept Islam.
Very good. Anybody knows more than this? Anybody else? Anything more? No one? Do you know the names of the mountains? Achha, there was a mountain which used to walk with Aap sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It used to move. है ना? एक माउंटेन एक पहाड़ जो हुज़ूर सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम जब हिजरत कर रहे थे तो मूव हो रहे थे साथ हाँ है कोई वाक़या ऐसा नहीं लेकिन एक वाक़या उसका है ये खून वाला पहाड़ का नहीं अबर डू यू नो एनीथिंग मोर नहीं ओके वेरी गुड रेडी बेस्ट ऑफ 5 very disciplined. You need to be very patient, quiet, control. Okay. Over to you.
चलिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक.
So I will stop.
Yes. Now last. I. दम से अब्दुल्ला. अब्दुल्ला उसको अंदर लेके आओ बेटा. मौलाना चलिए बॉयज, this match must say competition was very interesting. Now again I hope it will be interesting. Okay, close this also. First question, ready? हाँ हाँ चलिए। हाँ 5 नहीं, अलग से पूछ रहे हैं, कंसिडर नहीं करना है, इसको मत कट कर दो। अब यहाँ से 5 क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, 5 क्वेश्चन। रेडी? 1 2 3। Which commandment of Allah is emphasized the most in the Holy Quran?
Namaz prayer.
MashaAllah. Judge. हाँ. Riya sir, write down numbers. House. Red house. Okay. Next question. And don't blow the whistle before finish the question, otherwise miss, you will miss. थोड़ा ये एक ध्यान रखिए, just pay attention. Question is lengthy, listen it carefully till I will not finish, don't whistle. Done? At the time of their marriage, how much older was Hazrat Khatija radiyallahu ta'ala anha to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Green now. Wait, we are recording. Wait. Mostly they whistle, friction time is there. Pause कर लो वहाँ पे. If anyone is having whistle already, the decision goes to third umpire. Wait. अब्दुल्ला, उसको ऐसे सुला दो, हवा से गिर जा रहा हूँ. Sudais.
15 years old.
Absolutely correct. MashaAllah. Allah salli ala. Question number 3. House, greenhouse. Ready? Again, answer is very lengthy. Listen very carefully. Till I will not finish, don't whistle. Ready? What was the age of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the time of Hazrat Khadija's death? He.
50 years.
Wait, again. Third empire. TRS. हाँ? नहीं, wait. Boys, हाँ सेकेंड से हाँ हाँ थर्ड थोड़ा सा खोलो थोड़ा ओपन लिटिल बिट रेडी very tough repeat okay you whistle together it's quite difficult to take the decision question next question number 3 I am going to change the question question is very easy listen it first on what date do we offer Eid al-Fitr prayer अभी again
ईद उल फित्र है फर्स्ट शव्वाल
first of Shawwal answer is first of Shawwal can we accept this right Shawwal right है like this हाँ Red House answer told by Red House question 3 done fourth question number 4 listen ready tajammul pay attention who among the Khalifa was addressed to Amirul Mu'mineen for the first time question now is finished
आपका क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट होने से पहले हाथ उठा दो
हाँ
तो इनको आउट कर दो क्योंकि वहाँ से अब्दुल्ला को एक बार ओपन कर लिया
हाँ यस
तो अब रूल के हिसाब से
ये 3 आउट
बस इनको खत्म करो
हाँ ना
बेटा आपको पता नहीं है
अभी सर ने आपको क्या बोले डोंट आर्ग्यू ओके
आप वहाँ से उठ जाओ नहीं बेटा आपने क्या करा क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट नहीं होने दिया। आप बराबर सुनते नहीं
इनका कोई रिप्लेसमेंट लेना है कैन वी टेक अलियान विसल फर्स्ट आपने बजा दिए सवाल होने से पहले सीटी क्वेश्चन होने से पहले ओके वेट बॉयज ये क्वेश्चन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन यू आर आउट हाँ हाँ रेडी टू रिमेन्स एक सर कौन सा क्वेश्चन है
ये क्वेश्चन का मार्क्स
3 हो गए 2 बार
आ जाओ ना अंदर क्या होने वाला है? आप एक क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी करेक्ट है ना इनका एक करेक्ट है एक करेक्ट है ना आपके 2 थे एक का 1 था अब एक का 1 0 0 राइट
yes listen boys now please maintain discipline ready I am going to score
Now 10.
10.
Green,
Green.
no? Green. Now 10. Blue and red. Zero. Blue
Ze-
and yellow. Yellow. Zero.
0, 0.
10, 0, 0.
Okay. Ready? Now I am going to change the question. One, two, three. Munib.